Hi friends, in this video I am going to show to you how to update entire hardware drivers on your laptop. Okay, here I am using Google Chrome as my web browser. Just type Lenovo system update download because of I am using Lenovo Mission. So just click on the first link, then it will take some time to load and just check the Lenovo system update is there. You just need to download here, and once it is asking you to enter the serial number. If you don't know the serial number, just go CMD and enter the command WMIC BIOS get serial number. There you can find the serial number. Just copy the same and paste here, submit and check. Then it will verify whether it belongs to Lenovo or not. And once it has concluded this mission belongs to Lenovo, it will show to the path, and we just need to download the path or file. So just click download here, and once it has been successfully downloaded, just open it. So it is still in the progress of downloading, so you just need to wait for some time, and it's done. Just open the file, and once yes, click on yes, click on next, accept the agreement, and the setup has been initialized, and it will take some time to get it installed. Once those things are finished, yeah, the option you will get is finish. Just click on finish, and here in the search bar type system update. If you type system update, then it will be visible to you. Earlier it will be not there, earlier it is not there. So right now once you type system update, it will be appears to you. Just no thanks, click on next, and here what happens, if you run this tool, automatically it will detect what are the required drivers for this mission. You don't need to search manually, and you don't need to install manually each and every driver. By default, when you run this tool, automatically whatever the new updates are there, it will automatically fetch all the drivers which are required for your mission. And you just need to click all those things, and you just need to download and install the same on your mission. By running this tool, automatically whatever the new drivers which has been released by the Lenovo, it will be automatically updated on your mission. This is the simple tool. You can also try. If you have the Lenovo mission, then you can necessarily try with this tool, because of it will ease your work. By using this tool, it will ease your work. So you just need to run this tool, and you just need to go to the Lenovo portal. You just need to download, and here you need to accept the terms and condition. Okay, here these all the things which are pending to update. What that you need to done, these are critical updates, and these are the recommended updates. You just need to select all those four, and here it includes BIOS update as well. Whatever the updates are there, it will all be listed here. You just need to what? You just need to select all those things which are listed here, and click on next, download. And if one small pop-up will appear to you, if there is a BIOS file will be there, in order to update the same, you must and should need to connect your laptop to charger. Without connecting laptop to charger, do not update BIOS or firmware. If you try to update the same, it will not accept. Okay, please remember, while you are doing any kind of BIOS update or firmware update, make sure you need to connect your laptop to charger. Without connecting your laptop to charger, do not try to update the BIOS. Even though if you try to update the same without the charger, it will not update, it will stop. Okay, okay, it will try, it will automatically download all the packages, and once the package install downloading has been done, it will automatically initiate the installing of packages. You just need to wait for some time. Okay, this is the way you need to update the drivers on your machine. Okay guys, thank you for joining in my video. Thank you for seeing